everybody, Cool Bonnie 1987 here, back again with some more Roblox videos. Today we are back in Bee Swarm, and this is episode 6, and it is also day 2 of the birthday. Oh, wait, what? What? I'm not good up there. Anyway, it is also day 2 of the birthday countdown. Oh. Okay, then. I actually need these. It is day 2 of the birthday countdown. Welcome back. It is Wednesday, October 10th. My birthday is in 9 days. And I'm excited. I'm very, very excited. I'm very, very excited. So, today is Bee Swarm. I forgot what tomorrow is going to be. I'm not going to reveal the whole list, but I'll reveal the next day each time. Oh, my thing is full. Are you kidding? Okay, I'll reveal the next day. So today is Bee Swarm, and tomorrow is going to be Meep City. And I'm not going to reveal anything else. So yeah, tomorrow will be Meep City. Today is Bee Swarm. Again, I said in episode 5, I have no goals I'm about to achieve. That's why I stopped playing the game. I stopped, like, I haven't been playing off camera. I literally, oh wow, Spike. I literally haven't played the game since episode 5. I'm not even joking. I have not played the game at all. At least I don't think I have. Anyway, I'm just gonna kill this vicious bee. Those. I don't care if I'm losing the moon charm. If I get a moon charm, another moon amulet, if we got a moon amulet, a backpack will finally hold 1 million. And yeah. Right now, I keep saying it holds like, because it basically holds 1 million. But in reality, it holds, freaking 984k. Yeah. So yeah, it only holds that much right now. Yeah, anyway. I hate this game! Oh my god, I hate this game! Oh my god, I hate this game! Why do my stupid friend have to join? Anyway. Just kidding, if you're watching this fake gamer, you're not stupid. Anyway. You kinda messed up the video though. Come on, guys! Okay, there's my Crimson and Cobalt. They're always the first to the party. My ninja bees should be next. Okay, here comes the whole shebang. Okay. Quickly! Quickly! Destroy! Die! 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 Kill it! It's literally a level 4. This should not be taking this long. My bees are level 7 and 8. Come on, dang it, come on. Die. Oh my god, you're a level 4. Can you just die? You better give me 2 stingers for this. This is, I'm not gonna put up with this, like, die! Yes, okay, you at least gave me 2 stingers. Thank you. Oh my god, 22? Oh, well, what is my friend saying? By the way, why don't you make pet sim? Okay. Oh. So. Anyway, well, that's the video was one time, and we're already at 4 minutes in. And this is great. I'm just gonna go with the non-top build. Oh, someone sprout. Run! Yay! It's right here in the mushroom field. I love the mushroom field. I don't know why. Literally everyone is gonna come for it because I summoned it, so. Hey, I hit 70 million honey. Oh my god, why am I going backwards? I hit 70 million honey again. Jeez. I'm currently saving up, I guess, for the porcelain border hive. It's 250 mil. Let me get that, let me get that. Some sprinklers down. Sprinklers down. I have the silver soakers, if I didn't already say that in another video. I have the silver soakers, the second sprinklers, the 22.2 mil. I don't even have the golden gushers unlocked. I don't have the 10 ace badges yet. I think I have 4 ace badges currently. I I don't remember. But I've summoned Sid. Okay. I've summoned Seedling and I want to get good thing. How many tickets do I have? 121? Oh my god. That is a lot of tickets. Well, not really, but still, that's a crap ton. Ticket. Got it. Going for all the tickets. Oh, jelly. How much jelly? I don't even want to know how much jelly I have. I really don't want to know. Because I know it's going to be over 100. My jelly count is going to be over 100 for sure. 100%. 104. What did I say? Also, this is my progress on Star Journey 1. I'm almost done. I need to get white pollen. I'm gonna go to the pumpkin. Yeah, pumpkin. Gonna go to pumpkin. They have a lot of white fields. It's the 5,000 haste tokens that's really getting on my nerves. I'm only at 969, and I'm starting up with a gummy bee to do the 1 million goof my faults, because I know for a fact that the Star Journeys after this involve goo. Lots and lots of goo. And, I need 5 million more for the 25 million from white pollen. It's actually pretty much 4 million more now, but that part is almost done. Let me get this. I'm so glad I have both the crimson and the cobalt. Oh, my friend Fake left. What's going on in chat? Okay, why did you mean pet sim? And he hasn't said anything yet. Okay, well, not gonna be achieving any goals, so yeah, I want to get that 25 million. Okay, what the heck? Badges. Let's see how many. Okay, that's 1 ace badge, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I have 4. Are there any? Okay, pumpkin is really close. Pumpkin is close. What other close ones are there? Okay, pumpkin's the closest. I'm just gonna keep that there. Okay, yeah, pumpkin is definitely the closest one. That's definitely gonna be my next ace badge. Oh, yeah. After ace comes master, right? How are my other ace badges doing? That one I haven't worked on at all. Yeah, except for I am halfway to 1 billion honey. Okay, that I did not know. That I really did not know. Actually, I have been playing this off camera. Pretty sure I have a new ant challenge record. Do I? I don't remember if I have an ant challenge record or not. I'm gonna go check, but I may or may not have a new one. Because I don't remember what the old one in the last Beast One video was. I don't remember what it was, but I don't know if I have a new one or not, but I'm gonna go check, and I want to get this up to 21 mil, so please don't fill up before this is done. Okay, there we go. Oh, boosh. This is a load of boosh. Anyway, that's 71 million freaking honey. Halfway. Ooh, an epic seedling. It's in a clover field. I may have to do that seedling off camera, unfortunately, because this video is getting way too long. But, anyway, I'm gonna fill up my pack of the back. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm just gonna go check my ant challenge right now, and then I'm gonna end the video because it's getting way too long. We got a vicious bee at least. That was an accomplishment. How many stingers do I have? 122. Okay, that's a lot. My ant challenge record currently is 90. That might be a new record, guys. If that is a new record, this is my current ant challenge record, 90. So freaking close. Anyway, guys, unfortunately, that is going to be it for this episode of Bee Swarm. The next, keep in mind, the next, birthday countdown vid will come out tomorrow, and it will be Meep City. But be sure to like and subscribe, and check out my other videos if you do enjoy. But without further ado, this is Cool Bonnie, 1987, signing off.